And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you how to create this ripple distortion text. First up, I've just used a simple background from the library, search for space, and then I've used this image. Under text you can add a default text. Adjust this to whatever you want to have, it doesn't really matter for the effect. And I sample a color from the image, something bluish maybe here. You want to have this text element selected and then press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy paste. And here pick a preset. You can also do that manually, just make sure that your fill color is black and your stroke color right here has a different color. You can adjust the thickness down there. And then you're good. We want to blend it now, but as a text element it doesn't have a blending mode. Therefore we'll have to right click on it and create a compound clip. Go to video, basic, find the blends, and now we have a blending mode. We can set that to screen to get rid of the black parts. And then we position that in the preview window with a left click drag. So we now have a stroke offset, you could say. Now go to effects and I search for distortion. And then you should find a couple of options. If you specifically search for a distortion ripple, you might not get good results in this search function. Search function in CapCut generally isn't the best, at least from my experience. So I type in distortion and then I can find, for example, the ripple. And down here is a rippling. So these are all variations. Let me try this rippling. No, that's not what I want. I'll stick to the default, so the simple ripple one. Couple of options to adjust. Speed is obviously how fast or slow this ripples. Size is how big it's going to get. You can blur it out and sharpen it. And twist and strength is for the intensity. I want to go low for most values, but for sharpen and twist I go up. And this is how you can create this ripple distortion text effect. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.